Hi guys, I am showing you my screen in Cash Karo. So you can see how much amount I have earned. The total now I can redeem is 7,135, and yes, there is a breakage in that, but I'll be able to redeem it for sure. And if you see, the referral earning I got is 779, around 800. This is the redemption I'm doing now. I have done the redemption before also. And why I'm making this YouTube video? Two reasons. I want you to get the benefit that I got. Yes, fairly, that is also true. But along with that, I'll get the referral bonus. And I got 779 with only one referral that I have. And who is it? It is my sister. I can show you my referrals. See, if you see, I have only one referral. With that I earned so much money. I have done 4 referrals, but maybe they have not accepted my request, or maybe they have not done the purchase. But with only one referral I got around 800 rupees, out of which 779 I can redeem now. The other ones I have already redeemed. What does this Cash Karo offer? So it is nothing but a affiliate site. Affiliate is nothing but you click on the link, go to either Amazon or Flipkart, and you will earn money. So I'm clicking Cash Karo main page. You can see here they give different offers. There is Amazon, Myntra, and whichever you want. Even Big Bazaar, who buy online, they can, if they want, Norton, etc. And advantage of this is, why do they give money is, Amazon itself has Amazon, Flipkart, anything you go, there is something called affiliate marketing. If you come to the bottom, I'm showing you my screen. There is something like become an affiliate. So with that, what Amazon says is, you market or you get customers to my product and I will pay you money. And Cash Karo is that middleman here. It is one of the middlemen. There are many others. So with Cash Karo, once you log in and buy through Cash Karo, it will track a number. So say for example, I'm clicking Amazon, it will say visit retailer. Within 48 hours of shipment, it will track my rewards, and in 3 months it will confirm. 3 months, because Amazon and most of the sites will have return policy. You buy the product and you return. So Amazon gets nothing, Cash Karo gets nothing, you won't get anything. But if you buy the product and keep it, it is a win-win. Amazon gets money, their business, the seller gets, Amazon gets, Cash Karo gets the affiliate marketing, and some part of that affiliate marketing you will get. And here what it says is earn up to 3% Cash Karo. Now show this one, missing ticket. So what happens sometimes is, when we click visit retailer and go to their sites, go to Amazon and buy, sometimes for some reason it doesn't get tracked. So within 2 days or so, I'll go to that page and show, we can claim a missing ticket. Say that I purchased this order, give them the order number and date. Cash Karo will send a mail to Amazon asking, this person has done a purchase, please give us the affiliate amount. Amazon pays, Cash Karo gets, Cash Karo gives some amount, gives 3% of the total order value to us, based on the product, and so on. Again, in the win-win, I missed to say that we get to keep the product. So we get to keep the product, and it's a sort of discount. You cannot redeem it at the same time. You can redeem after 3 months or so, once they confirm, and once the amount reaches, I believe, 500. I'll come to that part later. Total amount, it will come faster than you think, because just imagine how much Amazon purchases you do, how much Flipkart or Myntra or any clothing. A single cloth cost, good cloth will cost around 800 to 1000. Grocery items if you are a regular purchaser, and so on. So this is a win-win. Okay, now without wasting time, let me go to visit retailer. But before that, one more thing I forgot. Add products to your cart or wish list only after clicking Cash Karo. What happens is, you can't fool Amazon. You click add the item on the cart or add the item on the wish list, and then go to Cashkaro, click on visit retailer, do the checkout from Amazon and pay to Amazon. Amazon will already have tracking which confirms that you have already item in cart. So it's not Cashkaro which referred. So before purchasing anything or before searching anything, it will be better if you just click visit retailer. Or if you think that is a product you want to buy, before adding it to the wish list or add to cart, click on visit retailer from Cashkaro. Okay, I click on visit retailer. Okay, unfortunately my internet went down. Just give me a minute, I'll get you back. Okay, I am back. I believe my internet is restored. So it says congratulations, nothing to more, shop normally and reward will automatically be added to your Cashkaro account in 72 hours. Now yeah, this is all about how we get. It's not only Amazon, we can do many other sites, Flipkart, Cashkaro, etc. And few more things from Cashkaro. One is about missing ticket. Actually we'll learn it on the go. No need to explain, but anyways I'll tell you. So to get rewards, you need to make sure you have an account. Without account, you won't be. And how to create account? Please don't go log in directly and create account. I won't get anything for making the video. So click the link here I gave in the description. I'll be giving, and if you join through that, you will benefit because you learnt it from me, and I'll benefit because I taught you. Okay, it's not that I value friendship. I want to tell what I know, but since there is a win-win, why should I leave? Okay, if you want to know how to log in, create account, it's the same like you do sign up. So I don't need to tell you. You just need to give your basic details, how you enter to Paytm or Amazon or anything like that. Okay, I forgot to tell you, there are no much offers from Paytm for some reason. So that is something which I don't know why. Maybe Paytm doesn't offer many things. Okay, I can click it. It will say that Paytm Mall there is, but no cashback in just Paytm store. Okay, that's fine. Now another thing I wanted to tell you is missing tickets. Okay, I can show you my payment history. That's also fine, but missing cashback is something which I want to tell you. So missing tickets. See, even I have how many missing tickets I have added. I believe initially there was for Paytm recharges also. I don't know now, they don't give, but if you see the transaction amount was 1500 and how much I got, they have not given it in the ticket, but yeah, that is resolved. Maybe something I bought, I forgot it. Okay, it was 2015, 5 years back. So Amazon recharge, Paytm recharge, for everything I did get the it does resolve if you added the item later to the cart. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And if you did transaction via Cashkaro and did not get qualifying cashback, don't worry, just raise a missing ticket and the team will escalate to the transaction to the retailer. Please note the retailers can accept missing ticket rewards claims, cannot accept missing cashback rewards after 10 days. That means in 72 hours your ticket should be seen in Cashkaro. If it doesn't, 72 means 3 days. If it doesn't, at least on the 4th day, raise a missing ticket. So that will make sure you get your money back. And I wanted to show you my payment history, right? Yeah. So how much I redeemed? I redeemed Amazon gift card of 500 rupees in 2017. So after 3 years I'm redeeming, now I'm getting 7,000. It's slow, but it is free cash. Why leave it? 7,000 I'm getting plus this 500. It's not a small amount. And yeah, recent clicks. Where does it click? It's okay. Okay, I didn't have recent clicks. That's fine. And okay, finally payments. How do we get payment? So if I can click rewards or cashback payment, and both can be combined also. I'll show you right now. Combine rewards and cashback, and only cashback. Okay, let us redeem both. So if you see, they have option Amazon gift card, Flipkart gift card. Okay, It's a nice option, and just give a email address to which the gift card should come, confirm it, get paid. They will track your request, and within 3 days or so they will give you. They have given the money I have shown you. So try to register, try to get benefit, and main thing, use my URL. Okay, this is the URL. So I'll click this link and paste it at the description of the video. Please use it, and please like this video. That time it will come on top in YouTube search, and many person can see my video. I can get the referral. And yeah, if you subscribe my channel, there's a possibility I can make YouTube monetization too. So please do subscribe, like, write in comments whatever you want. It's all good for me, and thank you. Please post comments. I like it. Thank you.